We will continue with arithmetic progression. Now say if A, B, C are in AP, if A, B, C are in AP, prove that 1 by BC, 1 by CA, 1 by AB are in AP. If ABC are in AP, prove that 1 by BC, 1 by CA, 1 by AB are in AP. See how to do this type of sum. What given? ABC are in AP. ABC are in AP. Therefore, B minus A equal to C minus B. So this is number 1. Then what we have to prove? We have to prove this are in AP. So we write like this. See, we have to prove 1 by BC, 1 by CA, 1 by AB are in AP. 1 by BC, 1 by CA, 1 by AB are in AP. That means what we have to prove? That means we have to prove that this minus this equal to this minus this. That means 1 by CA minus 1 by BC equal to 1 by AB minus 1 by CA. This minus this, second minus first equal to third minus second. That we have to prove. So we will not write implies. We will write what? This is we have to prove. We are not saying that this equal to this. We are what we are saying that we have to prove this equal to this. That's why we write that is. Implies that is. Next what you have to prove? Take LCM. LCM is what? A, B, C. CA cancel what left B. BC cancel what left A. B minus A by ABC. This side also take LCM. ABC. AB cancel C. CA cancel B. We have to prove this. We are not saying that we have proved this one. What we are saying? We have to prove this. That is, if I cancel ABC from both sides, what will get? B minus A equal to C minus B. Means I have to prove B minus A equal to C minus B. But I have already proved. B minus A equal to what? C minus B. I have already proved B minus A equal to C minus B. So, therefore what? Which is true from 1. Therefore, 1 by BC, 1 by CA, 1 by AB are in what? Are in AP. Again see. What given? ABC are in AP. What we know? If these three numbers are in AP, then second minus first equal to third minus second. Okay? Then we have to prove these are in AP. So what we'll do? We'll write like this, that we have to prove this are in AP. That means what we have to prove? We are not saying we have proved this one. What we are saying? We have to prove this. That means we have to prove this. That means we have to prove this. Oh, we have already proved this one. Where? 1. So that means, which is true from 1. That means what? 1 by BC, 1 by CA, 1 by AB are in AP. You got my point? Next one, see. Again, if ABC are in AP, prove that B plus C, C plus A plus B are in AP. If A, B, C are in AP, prove that B plus C, C plus A plus B are in AP. Now, solution. A, B, C are in AP. Same method. B minus A equal to C minus B. So this is number 1. We have to prove B plus C, C plus A plus B are in AP. That is, C plus A minus B minus C equal to A plus B minus C minus A. C cancel. That is, A minus B, A cancel equal to what? Equal to B minus C. Multiply both side by minus. Multiply both side by minus. B minus A equal to C minus B. Now again you can check which is true from 1. Understood? This is a question number 1. This one is a question number 2. Now say question number 3. Same question. If, same type of question, not same question. If ABC are in AP, if ABC are in AP, A 1 by B plus 1 by C, B 1 by C plus 1 by A, C 1 by A plus 1 by B are in AP. Solution. ABC are in AP. ABC are in AP. Therefore, B minus A equal to C minus B. We have to prove A 1 by B plus 1 by C, B 1 by C plus 1 by A, C 1 by A plus 1 by B are in AP. Okay. That is we have to prove. That is we have to prove what? B 1 by C plus 1 by A minus A 1 by B plus 1 by C equal to C 1 by A plus 1 by B minus B 1 by C plus 1 by A. Okay, you can check from this one. This minus this equal to this minus this. That is, if I take LCM, this will be C plus A by CA. If I take LCM, this will be BC by B plus C. If I take LCM, AB, A plus B, outside C is there, minus B. If I take LCM, CA, C plus A. That is. Now take LCM of these two, not C plus A, this one is C into A, C into A. This is B into C, A into B, C into A. Now, take again LCM, left hand side. One more thing, don't bring, say, something from right hand side to the left hand side. Okay, no need of this one. Only calculate on their own side. Means left hand side, calculate at left hand side, right hand side, calculate at right hand side. So here, you will get what? A, B, C, LCM. Then what? B square, C plus A, minus A square, B plus C. A, B, C. C square, A plus B, minus B square, C plus A. B square C, A B square, A square B, A square C. A C square, B C square, B square C, A B square. That is, from this two, take C common. So it will be B square minus A square C from this two. And from this two take AB common. From this two take AB common. It will be what? B minus A. Again from AC square, AB square, take A common, C square minus B square. From this to take BC common, you will get C minus B. BC common, you will get what? C minus B. That is, B plus A, B minus A, C, AB, B minus A, C plus B, C minus B, BC, C minus B. Okay? Take B minus A common. Take B minus A common, that is B minus A common. What you will get? BC, AC, AB. Take C minus B common. What you will get? AC, AB, BC. Okay? Then these two cancel. That is B minus A equal to C minus B, which is true from 1. Understood? So, these are some I have done. One more sum I will do, and then you can do yourself. So, say next one. 4. A, B, C are in AP. Prove that 1 by root B root C, 1 by root C root A, 1 by root A root B are in AP. Solution A, B, C are in AP. Therefore, B minus A equal to C minus B. We have to prove 1 by root B plus root C, 1 by root C plus root A, 1 by root A plus root B are in AP. That is 1 by root C plus root A, root B plus root C, 1 by root A plus root B plus root C. Root B plus root C minus root A, root C plus root A, root B plus root C. Root B plus root C, root A minus root B, root A plus root B, root B plus root C. Root B plus root C, root B plus root C cancel. That is, root C cancel. Root B minus root A by root C plus root A equal to root B cancel. Root C minus root A, root C minus root A, root A plus root B. Cross multiply. Now cross multiply from here. Now, last few sum we have not taken left hand side and right hand side. Only we have calculated what? Left hand side in left hand side and right hand side in right hand side. But in this one we'll take. What we'll take? We'll cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, it will be root B plus root A, root B minus root A, root C plus root A, root C minus root A. A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. B plus C, B minus C, B square minus C square. That is, B minus A equal to C minus B, which is true from, which is 2 from 1. Understood? So these are some sum of same type I have done. Now I will give you some more sum to you and you can do this sum. Tomorrow class will discuss more about these sums. Okay.